These two switches are made by Temby. It's a one way for each switch, and it's mainly for mains lights. Now I've taken it apart to show you what it looks like inside. This is quite old. Now I'm going to take it apart, completely apart, but I'm not going to put it back together. This is purely for you to see what it looks like and how, if you need to rebuild your one. I personally wouldn't rebuild this to use it in a house. It's suspect, and of course you can buy these, they're very cheap these days. But of course if you do need to keep your one for whatever reason, then of course the details are here for you to rebuild yours. So thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go on to my channel.